Lipids. The lipids include a large number of biomolecules of different types. The term lipid originated from a Greek word lipos, meaning fat. In general, those constituents of the cell which are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents of low polarity such as chloroform, ether, benzene, etc. are termed as lipids. Lipids perform a variety of biological functions. Classification of lipids are classified into three broad categories on the basis of their molecular structure and the hydrolysis products. Simple lipids, compound lipids, derived lipids. Simple lipids are those lipids which are esters and yield fatty acids and alcohols upon hydrolysis. They include oils, fats and waxes. Compound lipids, they are also esters of fatty acids and alcohol with additional compounds like phosphoric acid, sugars, proteins, etc. Derived lipids are formed from oil, fats, etc. during metabolism. They include steroids and some fat-soluble vitamins. Structures of lipids. Simple lipids are esters. They are subdivided into two groups depending upon the nature of the alcohol component. Fats and oils are triglycerides, that is, they are the esters of glycerols with 3 molecules of long-chain fatty acid. Variations in the properties of fat and oils is due to the presence of different acids. These long-chain acids may vary in the number of carbon, C12 to C26, and may not contain double bond. On hydrolysis of a triglyceride molecule, 1 molecule of glycerol and 3 molecules of higher fatty acids are obtained as shown below. Oil or fat give rise to glycerol and fatty acids. By definition, a fat is that triglyceride which is solid or semi-solid at room temperature, and an oil is the one that is liquid at room temperature. Saturated fatty acids form higher melting triglyceride than unsaturated fatty acids. The saturated triglycerides tend to be solid fats, while the unsaturated triglycerides tend to be oils. The double bond in an unsaturated triglyceride are easily hydrogenated to give a saturated product. But in this way, an oil may be converted into a fat. Hydrogenation is used in the manufacture of vanaspati ghee from oils. The 9th class equation है hydrogenation and 10th में थी. Fats and oils are found in both plants and animals. Our body can produce fats from carbohydrates. This is one method that the body has for storing the energy from unused carbohydrates. The vegetables oils are found primarily in the seeds of plants. The second type of simple lipids are waxes. They are the esters of fatty acids with long chains, monohydroxy, alcohols 26 to 34 carbon atoms. Waxes are widespread in nature and occurs usually as mixtures. They form a protective coating on the surface of animals and plants. Some insects also secrete waxes. The main constituent of bee wax obtained from the honeycomb of bees is myricyl palmitate. The waxes discussed above should not be confused with household paraffin wax, which is a mixture of straight chain hydrocarbons. Compound lipids on hydrolysis yield some other substances in addition to an alcohol and fatty acid. The first type of such lipids are called phospholipids because they are the triglyceride in which 2 molecules of fatty acid and 1 molecule of phosphoric acids are present. Glycolipids contain a sugar molecule in addition to fatty acid attached to an alcohol. Derived lipids. Steroids are another class of lipids which are formed in our body during metabolism. These are the compounds with the distinctive ring system that provides the structural backbone for many of our hormones. Steroids do not contain ester groups and hence cannot be hydrolyzed. Cholesterol is one of the most widely distributed steroids in animals and human tissue. Another important group of derived lipid is that of fat-soluble vitamins. This includes vitamin A, D, E, and K, whose deficiency causes different diseases. A, D, E के फैट सॉल्युबल विटामिन हैं, जबकि बाकी के जो होते हैं आपके वाटर सॉल्युबल हैं. बायोलॉजिकल इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लिपिड्स जो है, फैट्स आर मेन food storage compounds and serve as reservoir of energy. Presence of oils or fats is essential for the efficient absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Subcutaneous fats serve as biological insulator against excessive heat loss. Phospholipids are the essential components of cell membrane. Steroid controls many biological activities in living organisms. Some enzymes require lipid molecules for maximum action. Questions: what are lipids? What are the products of hydrolysis of an oil? Name two important types of compound lipids. What is the basic difference between fat and oil? Saturated and unsaturated. Nucleic acids. Why is a dog and not a cat? Why do some people have blue or brown eyes and not black? From a chemical standpoint, how does the body know that what particular type of protein is to be synthesized? How is this information transmitted from one generation to the next? The study of the chemistry of heredity is one of the most fascinating fields of research today. It was recognized in the 19th century that the nucleus of a living cell contains particles responsible for heredity, which were called chromosomes. In most recent years, it has been discovered that chromosomes are composed of nucleic acids. These are named so because they come from the nucleus of the cell and are acidic in nature. Two types of nucleic acid exist, which are called DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid. They differ in their chemical composition as well as in function. Structure of nucleic acid. Like all natural molecules, nucleic acids are linear polymeric molecules. They are chain-like polymers of thousands of nucleotides unit, hence they are also called polynucleotides. A nucleotide consists of three subunits: a nitrogen-containing heterocyclic aromatic compound called base, a pentose sugar, and a molecule of phosphoric acid. So a nucleic acid chain is represented as shown below: base, sugar, phosphate, base, sugar, phosphate, base, sugar, phosphate. In DNA molecule, the sugar mostly into deoxyribose, whereas in RNA molecule it is a ribose. In DNA, 4 bases have been found. They are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. The first 3 of the 3 bases are found in RNA, but the 4th is uracil. The sequence of different nucleotides in DNA is termed as its primary structure. Like proteins, they also have secondary structure. DNA is a double second-stranded helix. 2 nucleic acid chains are wound about each other and held together by hydrogen bond between pair of bases. The hydrogen bonds are specific between pairs of bases, that is guanine and cytosine form hydrogen bonds with each other, whereas adenine forms hydrogen bond with thymine. The 2 strands are complementary to each other. The overall secondary structure resembles a flexible ladder. This structure for DNA was proposed by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. They were honored with the Nobel Prize in 1962 for this work. इम्पॉर्टेंट है याद रखने के लिए, कंपटीशन एग्जाम्स में काम आती हैं ये सब चीज़ें। Unlike DNA, RNA is a single-stranded molecule which may fold back on itself to form double helix structure by base pairing in a region where base sequences are complementary. There are 3 types of RNA molecules which perform different functions. They are named as messenger RNA, mRNA, ribosomal RNA, rRNA, and transfer RNA, tRNA. Biological functions of nucleic acid. A DNA molecule is capable of self-duplication during self-division. The process starts with the unwinding of the 2 chains in the parent DNA. ये वाली चेन्स जो होती है 3' end और 5' end, सबसे पहले तो ये अनकॉइल होती हैं. The process starts with the unwinding of the 2 chains in the parent DNA. As the 2 स्ट्रैंड सेपरेट, जब ये दोनों सेपरेट हो जाएंगे 3' end और 5' end, तो 3' end जो है वो तो 5' end को बनाना शुरू करता है और 5' end जो है वो 3' end को बनाना शुरू करता है. इस तरह से अगर हम देखें तो डीएनए जो होता है सेमी प्रिजर्वेटिव होता है. इसका एक पार्ट तो जो होता है ओरिजिनल क्रोमोसोम पेयर से ही आता है. As the 2 strands separate, each can serve as a master copy for the construction of a new partner. This is done by bringing the appropriate nucleotides in place and linking them together. Because the bases must be paired in a specific manner. Adenine जो है वो थायमाइन के साथ जाएगा, गुआनिन जो है वो साइटोसाइन से जाएगा. तो each newly built strand is not identical but complementary to the old one. Thus, when replication is completed, we have 2 DNA molecules, each identical to the original. Each of the new molecule is a double helix that has 1 old strand and 1 new strand to the transmitted to daughter cells. जैसे ये तो ओल्ड था, ये अनवाइंड हुआ और अब इस वाले हिस्से ने जो है इस वाले हिस्से को बनाया है और इस वाले ने इस वाले को बनाया है. तो यहाँ पे ये ओल्ड है, ये न्यू है, ये न्यू है, ये ओल्ड है. तो एक हिस्सा सेमी प्रिजर्व्ड है. Another important function of nucleic acid is the protein synthesis. The specific sequence of bases in DNA represented coded information for the manufacture of specific proteins. DNA में एक सारी इंफॉर्मेशन रहती है प्रोटीन्स बनाने की. तो in the process the information forms from DNA is transmitted to another nucleic acid called messenger RNA. DNA की इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो RNA लेकर आता है, which leaves the न्यूक्लियस से बाहर आएगा, साइटोप्लाज्म के पास जाएगा. मैसेंजर RNA जो होता है acts as a template for the incorporation of amino acids in the proper sequence in protein. इसी के पास सारी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, ये टेम्पलेट की तरह काम कर रहा है और कैसे प्रोटीन बनेगा, उसकी क्या सीक्वेंस होगी, उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लेकर आता है. The amino acids are brought to the messenger RNA in the cell by transfer RNA, where they form peptide bonds. In short, it can be said that DNA contains the coded message for protein synthesis, whereas RNA जो होता है उस इंफॉर्मेशन को लेकर आता है, carries out the synthesis of protein. न्यूक्लियोटाइड क्या है, डबल हेलिक्स स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. राइट 2 मेन स्ट्रक्चरल डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन डीएनए एंड आरएनए. Enzymes. In a living system, many complex reactions occur at the temperature of about 310 Kelvin. An example of this is the digestion of food, during which stepwise oxidation of carbon dioxide and water and energy production. These reactions are carried out under such mild condition due to presence of certain chemicals which are called enzymes. Enzymes biocatalyst होते हैं. They act as catalyst for biochemical reactions in living cells. Almost all the enzymes जो हैं, they are globular proteins. Enzymes are very selective and specific for a particular reaction. They are named after the compound or class of compounds upon which they work or after the reaction that they catalyze. The ending of an enzyme name is ASE. For example, maltase is an enzyme that specifically catalyzes the hydrolysis of maltose into glucose. Similarly, an esterase is an enzyme which induces hydrolysis of ester linkase. Mechanism of enzyme action. Just like chemical catalysts, enzymes are needed only in small quantities. Similar to the action of chemical catalysts, enzymes lower the energy barrier that reactants must pass over to form the products. For example, hydrolysis of the ester that needs boiling with aqueous sodium hydroxide in the laboratory, whereas it occurs at nearly neutral pH and at moderate temperature when catalyzed by an enzyme. This is a particular enzyme for each. There is a particular enzyme for each substrate and they are said to have lock and key arrangement. यहाँ पे सबस्ट्रेट पे रखे, यहाँ पे ये तो एक्टिव साइट है एंजाइम और ये जो होता है इसने देखो इसको लॉक कर दिया और ये प्रोडक्ट बन जाएगा और ये वापस से सेपरेट हो गया. It is said that first the substrate molecule binds to the active site of the enzyme, which results in the formation of the enzyme substrate complex. ये यहाँ पे complex बना है. इस complex से जो है substrate is placed in the right orientation to facilitate a given reaction. और ये complex जो है वापस से निकल गया. enzyme अपनी position पे same to same. This complex then breaks to give the molecules of the product and regenerates the enzymes for the next molecule of the substrate. Characteristics of enzymes. Enzymes जो है they are speeding up the biochemical reaction up to 10 million times compared to the uncatalyzed reaction. Enzymes catalyze reactions rapidly, attains equilibrium. Enzymes function in dilute aqueous solution at moderate temperatures and at a specific pH. They are very specific and selective in their action on substrates. Enzymes are highly efficient and are needed in small amounts only. In addition to the protein structure, most active enzymes are associated with some non-protein component required for their activity, called coenzyme. For example, nicotinamide, adenine dinucleotide, is a coenzyme which is associated with a number of dehydrogenation enzymes. Hormones important है, सबसे important इस lesson का part hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers which are secreted by endocrine glands. They are carried through the bloodstream to the target tissues. Majority of the hormones in humans are steroids. The two important classes of steroid hormones are sex hormones or adrenocortical hormones. The sex hormones control maturations, tissues growth and reproduction, whereas the adrenocortical hormones regulate various metabolic processes. Two most important male sex hormones or androgens are testosterone and androsterone. They are responsible for the development of male secondary sex characteristics during puberty and for promoting tissue and muscle growth. The female sex hormone or estrogen include estrogen and estradiol as example. These hormones are responsible for the development of female secondary sex characteristics and for regular of menstrual cycle. Another important female hormone is progesterone, which prepares the lining of the uterus for the implantation of the fertilized ovum. The continued secretion of progesterone is important for the completion of the pregnancy. Synthetic estrogen have been developed and they are used in combination with synthetic pregnancy hormones as oral contraceptive. The adrenocortical Hormones are secreted by adrenal glands, which are small organs located near the upper end of each kidney. The aldosterone controls the tissue swelling by regulating cellular salt balance between sodium and potassium. Another hormone called hydrocortisone is involved in the regulation of glucose metabolism and in the control of inflammation. Two important hormones which are polypeptides in nature are vasopressin and oxytocin. ऑक्सीटोसिन तो जो है खाली फीमेल्स में आता है, जब बच्चे हो रहे होते हैं तो यूटेराइन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन को स्टिमुलेट करता है. वैसोप्रेसिन जो होता है occurs both in males and females and cause contraction of peripheral blood vessels and an increase in blood pressure. Insulin, other important polypeptide hormone, is secreted from pancreas. It regulates the metabolism of glucose in the body. अगर नहीं कर पाएगा, इंसुलिन की कमी है तो डायबिटीज हो जाएगी. Human causes diabetes mellitus. In text question, two important classes of steroid hormones. What is oxytocin? Give it role. Vitamins classification and their functions. A variety of organic molecules act as coenzymes. Many of them are vitamins. Vitamins also called vitamins. Vitamins are small organic molecules which are taken in diet and they are required in trace amounts for proper growth. Water soluble थे, fat soluble थे. Vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, niacin, vitamin M, vitamin B12, ascorbic acid, vitamin C. विटामिन सी की कमी होगी तो ब्लीडिंग गम्स, ब्रूइजिंग, थायमिन, विटामिन B1, फैटिग, डिप्रेशन, राइबोफ्लेविन, विटामिन B2, क्रैक्ड लिप्स, स्कारलेट स्किन, पायरिडॉक्साइन, विटामिन B6, एनीमिया, इरिटेबिलिटी, नियासिन, डर्मेंटिस, स्किन की प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. डर्मा वर्ड कहीं भी है ना, स्किन से रिलेटेड है. फॉलिक एसिड, विटामिन ए, मेगालोब्लास्टिक एनीमिया, विटामिन B12, मेगालोब्लास्टिक एनीमिया, न्यूरोडिजेनरेशन, पेंटोथेनिक एसिड, वेट लॉस, इरिटेबिलिटी, बायोटीन, डर्मेटाइटिस, एनोरेक्सिया, डिप्रेशन. फैट सॉल्यूबल विटामिन ए, डी, ई एंड के. विटामिन ए, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, ड्राई स्किन. विटामिन डी, रिकेट्स, osteomalacia. Vitamin E, hemolysis of RBCs. Vitamin K, hemorrhage and delayed blood clotting. What you have learned? लेसन खत्म हो चुका है. हमने क्या पढ़ा था अब तक? उसका समराइज वर्जन है. Carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones or substances which provide such molecules in hydrolysis. They are classified as monomer and polysaccharides. Proteins are the polymers of alpha amino acids which are linked by peptide bonds. All proteins are the polymers of 20 different alpha amino acids. Out of these, 10 amino acids cannot be synthesized by our body and must form the part of our diet. These are called essential amino acids. Proteins are very important to us and perform many functions in a cell that are absolutely necessary for our survival. Chief resources of proteins are pulses, milk, meat, eggs, etc. Biomolecules which are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents are called lipids. They are classified as simple compound and derived lipids. Nucleic acids are the compounds which are responsible for the transfer of characters from parents to offspring. There are two types of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. They are polymers composed of repeating units called nucleotides. RNA DNA contains a 5-carbon sugar molecule called 2-deoxyribose, whereas RNA contains ribose. 4 bases present in DNA are adenine, cytosine, guanine, thymine, whereas RNA uracil in place of thymine. DNA is a double-strand molecule, where RNA is a single-strand molecule. DNA is present in the nucleus and have the coded message for proteins to be synthesized in the cell. Proteins are actually synthesized by RNA, which are of 3 types: messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, and transfer RNA. Enzymes are biocatalysts, which speed up the reaction in biosystems. Chemically, all enzymes are proteins. They are very specific and selective in their actions on substrates. Terminal exercise. Deficiency symptoms caused by deficiency of vitamin B1 to vitamin D. What is insulin? Important for us. Enzymes क्या होते हैं? Different types of RNA found in the cell. Differentiation between the nucleotides of RNA and DNA. What is a nucleotide? What are triglycerides? Differentiate between globular and fibrous proteins, essential amino acids, products formed by the hydrolysis of lactose. What is disaccharide? How is excess glucose stored in our body? Glycogen.